over $8,000 in payouts using one expert advisor. And guess what? In less than 2 months, before you bring up your guards against all these expert advisors, let me show you something that will blow your mind. And what I'm going to show you is a screenshot of a conversation between us and one of our clients who used one of our expert advisors that could get an $8,000 payout from my Forex funds. And I just decided to share it with you and also give you some tips and tricks on how to do the same thing. Because guys, it's very, very simple. And this is a 24-year-old girl that could do it in 2 months. So if she could do it, so can you. So I'm going to record my screen right now and show you everything, plus so many other certificates and payout proofs that you can see in our Telegram channel. By the way, if you want to join it, you can find a link down in the description below and see everything for yourself. But for this video, I want to take it to my phone and show you the conversation that literally happened. So 3, 2, 1, go. Let's get it. Okay, so this is the first screenshot. The previous one is a screenshot for the payment. But after that, this is what she told us. Look at this. By the way, if you want to look at it yourself, as I said, you can join our Telegram channel and see everything. But this is very, very interesting. So you said that I just got another payout, and we were like, oh really? From which platform? Using Alpha Incubator? She said, yes, MFF. You have no idea how broke I was. Is it possible for you to share your payout certificate? We'll blur your last name. And she said, I spent my last dollars on the EA. I have 3 so far, 3 payout emails from my Forex funds. Do you want me to send you all of them? And we said, that's awesome. To be honest, we're super glad to hear from you. Okay, so the second slide that we took a screenshot of, she said, the EA paid for itself so far and some. And now she said, now I just wish which preset file is the best and most importantly safe. Let me get them for you. That would be fantastic. So, because the thing is that the preset files we use for challenges are used for personal accounts or funded accounts as well. Just the lot size is different. So it's the same thing. It's the same proven preset file that you can put on the challenge and the funded accounts. So you can get your payout. The next slide, she sent us one of the emails that she received from my Forex funds. And the first payout was $2,190. And we said, which one did you use for payouts? She said, like, I used this pair, and the second pair is not that well. I use it on 1 minute time frame. These are the settings that we've shared in the VIP channel if you have access to Alpha Incubator's license. But I just want to show you everything. And also, she said, I trade gold manually, but would love to be hands-free soon. And the second screenshot of the second email she received from my Forex funds, $2,628 in profit. And the third email is $2,859. And she said, I really thought I did almost $8,000 in payout. That is fantastic. And that's how it works. And this is exactly, this is the same exact emails that she received. And we posted it separately so everybody can see that this is the actual email she sent us. And we're just transparent with everyone, right? Okay, so this is the first one, 2,180. This is the second one, 2,628. And this is the third one, $2,859. And it's been done through Deal. So if you know what Deal is, it's just a mediator basically that prop firms use in order to pay out their traders. And MFF uses Deal, and this client got her payout $8,000 through Deal. So if you go through the channel, you'll see tons of these results, but there's no conversation for all of them because the client just literally texts us and said, okay, here's my profit split for FTMO, Max Giorgiani, $4,523. Or there's another one right here. There's so many of them. Like there's another guy, 6,423 on April 2023, and way more. So I personally recommend you to join the channel and also see the performance of the EA because we have many screen recordings. Look at this, 593 photos, 780 videos, literally from everything. And you can see the performance. You can see how many people are getting their licenses on a daily basis. You can see the payout proofs. You can see the certificates. Everything is clear And as I said, we just want to be transparent as possible. So we show you everything from A to Z, that how people get their payout, pass their challenges, make their profits, all this good stuff, so you can experience the same thing. If a 24-year-old girl could do it, so can you. There's no difference. All you need to do is to be patient. Okay, so you got to be patient. You got to follow all the rules. You got to follow all the instructions that we give you for using the CA. And no matter where you want to use it, it's either on your personal account, or it's either on your prop firm challenge or your funded account. It's all the same thing. You just need to be persistent. You just need to be patient, and then the rest will follow. The profits will follow you. And I can guarantee you, that's all you need to do. If you have any questions, please feel free to ask us your questions. I'm going to leave our support team, a Telegram channel below this video as well. You can leave your comments here as well. There's no problem. We'll get back to you as soon as possible. As I said, everybody has different goals, but since so many of you guys want to pass their prop firm challenges and get their first payout, I just wanted to show you what is possible, and the rest will come if you follow everything. We're giving you the tools, we are giving you the instructions, we're giving you everything, and all we ask you to do is to be patient. And then you will get your payout, and you'll be happy like this client. So guys, thanks for watching this video. If you did like this video, give me a thumbs up. Leave your comments if you do have any question, and share it with your friends so they know how much of big potential these expert advisors have, so they can use it as well and get their first payout. Let's get it.